Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E32s. In this video I will show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter Files app. And right here, you've got access to Browse, thanks to which you can check and find your files, divided by categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Then you can go to internal storage, save folder and favorites. Also you can perform clean of the junk files, and then you can use nearby share to send and receive files quickly. If you go to menu, you've got access to trash, settings and help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.